Hello student, this is Yashodhari. In this video, we learn about what is the Open Graphical Library and what are the primitives and how those primitives will help to implement or displaying the images on a screen. Okay, let's start. Okay, OpenGL, Open Graphical Library. It is an API. API is nothing but a application program interface, means it will allow, it is a platform independent and hardware independent. It supports to hardware to implement a graphical programs to run and display the images on a screen. Okay, and it is a standard specification defining a language and a platform independent, right? So how it used? It used for interface consists for more than 200 different function calls used in a computer graphics for rendering a 2D and 3D vector graphics. So how it interface and how the primitives will work and what are the GL means graphical libraries are there, which is you help to user to implement a images on a screen. Okay, so continue with the some primitives of a now other GL points. GL begin with the GL points means one vertex we have to declare. GL vertex 2f is nothing but a two floating values of a x and y coordinates. It draws a single point. Okay, GL begin line. How line makes so these are a setting attributes, means you will setting some colors or a point size or a line width. These are the functions we can. The window management and initialize means transformation. Now other useful functions are listed here. This is GL clear, it will clear the buffering and depth buffers. Okay, GL flush, it forces OpenGL to execute all pending commands, and swap buffers is nothing but a front and back buffers for a double buffering. Enable is a texture 2D, enables a texture mapping, and bind texture, it's a texture 2D texture ID you can bind. Okay, so programming events here. In next video we'll learn about with a simple example code. I will explain all these primitives, how they are making useful to draw a image. Okay, so thank you for the listening. I hope you understood the basic primitives of OpenGL. Thank you.